Every year, over 2 billion metric tons of solid waste are generated worldwide. On average, each person produces more than 1.5 kilograms of waste every day, a number that's rapidly rising. Some of this waste inevitably ends up in our surroundings, where it can linger for decades, if not centuries. A single bag of chips can take up to 20 years to decompose, while plastic bottles and soda cans may persist for as long as 450 years. The reality is, about 75% of our waste is recyclable. Yet, we recycle only around 30%. It's time to take responsibility and protect our environment, for ourselves, and for future generations.